Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Let's have a look at a gorgeous 2018 Elantra GL automatic. Lots of standard features. Again, changed bodies in 2017. Really looks nice. Definitely one of the. It's a really sharp looking vehicle, so we're happy to get them new or pre-owned. But we definitely love them pre-owned because and most people have just continued to buy new ones. They love Elantra. And we'll do a quick walk around the outside and I'll show you some of the interior features. So again, Elantra GL automatic, definitely one of the most popular packages because you get a lot of standard features, including the alloy wheels, turn signal indicators on the mirrors, like I said, the alloys, fog lights. So you get some cool features there, good safety features. Hood's in nice shape, glass in nice shape, roof. And we like to do that so you see exactly what the vehicle looks like inside out. Remote starter built in, so nice feature. Don't have to. It's always nice when you don't have to pay for a feature. Take the mats out, show you the trunk. Good sized trunk. You have, as you can see, those two buttons on each corner. You can fold those seats down. So again, if you need a little bit more cargo space, little project at home, you can fold one or both down. Just make sure the kids are out of the back, and you'll be good to go. So again, good sized trunk, the ability to throw those seats down, get some more cargo space. On the back, nice cloth seats, carpets, everything in very nice shape and working order. Cup holders there for the passengers for those long road trips. Power windows in the rear as well, which you can lock if you have kids. You can lock those down so the kids aren't playing with the windows. Right here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, adjustable driver's seat, up, down, left, right, back, forth. You have telescopic steering as well. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning and traction control, so some good features there. All right, on the inside, start this one up. Bluetooth, hands-free calling, voice recognition, volume controls. On here you have cruise controls. You also have the ability to toggle through this. If you hit this button here, you'll toggle through and be able to personalize some of the settings on the vehicle. So again, some nice personalization there. You also have heated seats, 3-stage on both sides, heated steering wheel and drive mode, so you can drive it in normal, eco, or sport mode. Again, it's all personal preference. We encourage you to drive it, see what best suits you because it is electric steering. You have all your 12 volts and inputs down here. Again, nice temperature control settings. The system, easy to use, whether you're the driver or the passenger, you won't be fondling for anything. And up here you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, so again, plug your Apple phone in your Android phone, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, all that good stuff without having to go to the top-line model to get nav in your vehicle. So when you need it, you have it. When you drive around town, you definitely don't need it. And of course, good sized backup camera. So lots of standard features. 2018 Elantra GL. Dash, everything's in nice shape. Local trade, don't miss out. Call, text, or email if you have any questions about this Elantra or anything else in or on the ground right now, whether it be new or used. We're happy to help. Shop 24/7 at Hyundai.com, and make sure you follow us on Facebook. It's important. We give tons of free stuff away. It doesn't matter if you live in Cornwall or not. It's definitely important to follow us on Facebook. We have a lot of fun here. Again, we look forward to seeing you, and again, shop 24/7 at Hyundai.com.